Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how creators are producing mind-blowing images and cinematic videos just like this?
This is the life, just chilling in my big house. The sun's out, perfect day.
And this?
Hey babe, hard at work?
Just chilling, come sit with me.
Well, the wait is over. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on an absolutely insane AI tool that is changing the game forever. Forget the complicated software and the steep learning curves. I'm gonna show you how to generate hyper-realistic scenes and stunning, high-end visuals with just a few clicks. We're talking about turning simple ideas into masterpieces. People are already using this exact AI tool to build massive brands and generate serious income. And there is no reason you should be left behind. Whether you want to create breathtaking nature shots or professional grade AI videos, I've got you covered. No more gatekeeping and no more guesswork. I'm breaking down the entire step-by-step process so you can start creating your own stunning AI content today. Get ready to level up. Without wasting a single second of your time, let's jump right in.
All right, everyone, let's dive into the AI tool we've been talking about. While the interface might look clean and minimalist, don't let that fool you. It is incredibly powerful. This platform is packed with a massive variety of features that you can leverage for almost any creative project. When you click on the plus button, you'll see the full scope of what's possible. You can upload your own attachments, access the dedicated Create Video and Create Image sections, and even utilize advanced tools like deep research, web development, and slide creation. For today's session, we're gonna be using Grok AI, where I've already sourced and downloaded a ton of high-quality images specifically for this class. You can easily head over there and grab any images you like. I've selected several that are perfect for demonstrating how to transform a still photo into a dynamic video. Let's get started. Simply click on the Upload File button and select your first image. One of the best things about this AI tool is that you don't need to be an expert in prompt engineering. You don't need to be sophisticated with your instructions. Just keep it simple. For example, we'll just type, "Make our hair blonde." Once that's set, just hit enter and let the AI work its magic. As you can see, the results are incredible. This tool is not only high quality, but also offers unlimited usage, meaning you can create as many videos as you want without restrictions. It executes the task perfectly without losing the focus or the essence of the original image. Let's try that again with another image to show you the consistency. Click Upload, select your file, and we'll use that same simple prompt, "Make our hair blonde." Look at that, the realism is insane and the lighting is spot on. Beyond just editing, we have the full Create Video option. If you click on that, you can use a very simple, natural prompt, like just make her move around. That's all it takes. You don't need a complicated technical description. Just hit enter, give it a moment to process, and you'll see a beautifully rendered video. The movement is fluid, and the quality remains top tier. You can go ahead and download that immediately. Now, let's step it up a notch. Now, let's head back to the video section for one more example. We'll click on Create Video, upload our file. Let's use that first image again and type in a more atmospheric prompt. We're gonna say, "Make her feel the moment." I want the AI to capture something passionate, memorable, and full of emotion. The result is something truly energetic and professional. It really brings the character to life in a way that feels cinematic. I'd love to hear what you think about this AI tool in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you're having any trouble coming up with your own prompts or need inspiration for what to create next, make sure to join my Discord channel. I'll leave the link in the description. It's a great place to learn.
And I frequently post prompts that you can simply copy and paste to create your own stunning images and videos. Remember, you can use Grok AI to generate your base images or use any photos of your choice. Thanks again for joining the class, and I'll see you in the next one.